Good morning, I'm Bastien from BVN Real Estate in San Juan del Sur. Here we look today an apartment, 1 bedrooms in city center for rent. So it's inside the condominium and it has a shared swimming pool. There is a total of 5 apartments in this condo and we are a block and a half from the beach. Here we go to visit this apartment. So this is the outside part and we go inside. So here we have a parking lot at the entrance. There is a 24/7 security. We get in and we have this apartment living room. So here it's a futon, could be transformed. So it's an extra bed if you want, an extra mattress, 2 person, 1 person here could be like a adjust and give solutions for friends who come to visit you. Small bar, TV here, you see the kitchen, we're gonna see it. It's very simple kitchen, but it's clean. Only 1 gas stove. Small fridge, microwave, some furniture, and here the guest bathroom. Okay, we go now upstairs to see our bedroom. So here I show you where we are, but we have the hill of San Juan del Sur, here the city, the beach is on my right where we see it once we arrive upstairs. So here we have the inside of the residence and then our bedrooms. So the bedroom has a kind of inside balcony and here it is. So a nice bed. It's a master bed, I would say. Cool setup. So we have a view on city center. Probably now we see the ocean just there on the side. We are. So the bay is just here. Could it be at 150 meters from my apartment, from the apartment? Okay, let's go again inside. Let's see the master bathroom. Very clean. You have a big cupboard to store, the cabinet here, and the shower just on the other side. So it comes, the rent comes include the internet, include the energy, extra the AC if you use, and include also the water bill. So we offer this location normally for a long term at 1,000 per month, including power without AC using, but water and internet. So it's a total probably of 15 stairs or 20 stairs to go up. Come back to our kitchen. Okay, and I come back to my parking and swimming pool. Here the parking lot. And on the side you have the swimming pool here. Okay.